I know your heart. I see every tear. I am with you. I've never left you. I've seen your nights of tears, the emptiness within your soul, the dreams that felt like they had died when no one heard your cries. But I was there, always by your side, even in silence. You are not alone. My promise never fails. I have chosen you, and my plans for you are great. I am the God who restores. Through Jesus I've carried your pain, made you free, and heir of my name. Rise up, it's time to reign. Every tear you've cried, I'll turn into joy. I lift you up, give you a new song. You are mine, forever mine. I am the God who restores. Made you free, and heir of my name. Rise up, it's time to reign. I see your pain, but I also see your victory. I am your Father, and I will never let you go. Don't give up. I am your strength. My spirit lives within you. Every tear you've cried, I'll turn into joy. I lift you up, give you a new song. You are mine, forever mine.